Oh my god. Oh god, even after everyone's changed back, here I am acting like a dog again. Everybody gives me more of those icy glares. My god. Oh god.
確かに最後に一騒動を起こした罰は与えてもいいかもね。
Considering all the trouble we've been through? Yes, yes, big trouble. Big punishment. I leap up on 2 feet in anticipation, wagging my tongue at Haruka. Oh, what the fuck? But what I hear next is the opposite of what I'm expecting. This feels like a furry fanfiction.
罰なんて与えなくていいよ。私たちはみんなリョーナちゃんのおかげで元に戻れたんだから。
Oh
そ
no.
うですね。リョーナさんには感謝の気持ちしかありません。
I just want to thank her? Oh no. What? Nani? I just wanted to be punished. No. I don't want thanks. I want
む
pain.
しろお仕置きが必要なのははるかさんかもしれませんね。
Oh god, here we go.
この騒動を引き起こした張本人だし。
And here we go, we're gonna slap the teacher's butt again. Everybody glares at Haruka in unison.
ちょっとみんな、確かに私も悪かったけど。
But
お仕置きならリョーナちゃんにしてほしいの。
lol, no one even listens. They all move past me, closing in on Haruka.
何をする気なの？やめなさい、あなたたち。
Lol, this is so sad. Oh my god. Everyone holds Haruka down. Jesus Christ almighty. It looks like it feels so good. Why aren't they doing that to me? Oh my god.
いいよ、はるかちゃん。リョーナちゃん、せっかく人間に戻ったのに。
Jesus Christ. Well, she definitely has the lewdest of the CGs in this. Jesus Christ. Sheesh. Sheesh.